Stay with me. I just want to show it so far. This is as clean as it is going to be for a while, because when I start to bring my clothes in, this is going to get like so cluttered and crazy because my closet is so small. So I was able to fit queen size bed in here and have room for little nightstands. Now I do want all new furniture. I know that's spoiled, but I do. This is working for me though, even though it is like a small room. I put this rug in here just because it looked better in here than it did in the other one. So yes, there is some breathing room. I think this is one of like the smallest bedrooms I've ever had. I do want a bed. I don't want the tufted, I want gold metal. I put this up here. I just threw things as they landed. So this is just like an unofficial walkthrough. These used to actually be in my closet to store my shoes. They won't fit in my new closet, so I'm either going to use these for towels or try to find a way to maneuver them to maybe put my shoes in there and put some doors in there. But hopefully just like towels and toiletry. There is a lot of cabinets in the bathroom. I don't actually use a lot of toiletries. These are just like some things, tchotchke things. I'm not buying any more things like this for a long, long time. I am concerned, back to these, I am concerned because these are like that particle board with them getting wet. Are they going to fall apart instantly? I don't know. Okay, so you guys know the place is really small. Like I said, I want new furniture, but this is what I have from my old place. So the main thing is the couch is like throwing me off. I need, or want, let's just use the word want, a rug and probably a new coffee table. This is the only stuff that I want to keep. This chair, I love these basket chairs from IKEA because you can do so much with them. That's the only reason why I don't want to get rid of that. Favorite corner is this little corner here. Only little problem I can say is that I actually do use that mirror to see myself. This silver one could actually go right here because there's like a silver one behind the love sign. But because of my gold sofa, in black, I am so on the fence. I don't want to be a brat about it. I love white sectionals. I brought my roses over. Tchotchkes in the kitchen. One of my coworkers was trying to steal my joy, saying that I can't cook in here. Guys, honestly, I haven't cooked in 3 to 4 months anyways. I can open the oven, but I would have to, like, if I was really gonna cook in here, it is a small apartment, I would have to like move the couch around. And you know, things are negotiable because if I get a smaller sectional, because this is dead space over here, and I'm okay with that. I love negative space, which is really empty space. I like it because I can think better, and this is my little favorite sitting spot. I don't know if you guys can see, because there is a fountain right there, and then I can also watch the traffic go by. Some people think that is nerve-wracking and not relaxing. I think it is relaxing. This billboard is annoying though. There's a hotel close by. Yeah, so this is what I have so far. I don't know, there's a girl on YouTube, let's get back to the couch, that does this kind of furniture. She reupholsters things. Sorry, everything in here is like so dirty right now. Needs to be wiped off, and I actually use a lint roller on that lint roller, and she reupholsters things. I honestly have never really sat on this couch. I've only sat on it for like maybe 5 or 6 times. I just don't. I lay in the bed or I'm not home. I work a lot. Can we just say that I work a lot? I work a lot, a lot. Anyways, I was like, what if I just get the sofa recovered? Because this is actually black velvet. What if I get the sofa recovered in like a white linen and black stripe, like a real thin stripe? I love this wall, like with all of my mirrored stuff. And I do have a lot of tchotchkes, but I'm not gonna like use them. You know, like I like it. I want it to be decluttered, you know? Let me know, would you guys sell this sofa and get something different, something more modern like the white sectional? The only thing is like when you do get modern furniture, this is just me. When I do get, and my curtains have to go up, so, and I'm also wanting to paint the walls white so badly. I don't know if you can tell that they are like this really beigey color, and it just ticks me. I'm trying to live with it. The ceilings are not high at all. My other place had like 10-foot ceilings, I don't know, or 12, but these ceilings are definitely lower than. So yeah, this is what I'm working with, but sell this couch or get it reupholstered. And then what kind of coffee table, because those are actually like my 2 ottomans that I had. They are this black and gold, and I just put this on there. So, and what would you guys do with that space? Would you leave it as is? Would you put a real plant there? The only thing I don't like about real plants is that they attract bugs. Okay, so that's why I like my fresh cut roses, and I'm fine with that. But yeah, I mean, it's not done. This is just where stuff is so far. Letting you guys see my real life, you know. I don't know. I'm trying to be thankful for what I have, but I do need something here. Like something is, you know, something like the rug. Maybe a rug would tie it together. Do I want to get a white rug? Where's a good place to get one from? I'm not paying like crazy amounts of money at all. Like $500 or less. That's what I'll say. Something like that. Because rugs can get expensive. Yeah, and I kind of do want to put something here, but it needs to be a mixture of gold and silver. Like even, and you know what? That might be exactly what the place needs, like an antique style gold and silver mirror. And I was thinking about putting just like something like a screen so that you don't see the refrigerator right there. Let me know what you guys think. Not like a dramatic screen, but something that kind of like camouflages. Let me go show you guys the real deal, because boom, there is the kitchen behind it all. So yeah, gas stove. I know I won't be using this because a gas stove really does intimidate me so much. Like, I don't know why they put one in an apartment. But I do love my neighborhood. I love the fact that my windows can be open, because my last view was like of the parking lot, and I was on the bottom floor, so I never opened it. They have these. I don't know if people can see me or not. Oopsie. To black out if you want to.